Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome in science class. Yes, beta. As you know that in the previous classes we have discussed about different types of animals. On the basis of habitat, animals can be classified in different types like terrestrial, aquatic, arboreal, amphibians and aerial animals. Okay. Now today we will discuss about how these animals protect themselves from their enemies. In the previous class, we have discussed about how they adapt themselves to live in that particular habitat. Now we will discuss about how they protect themselves from their enemies. Okay, beta. So let us talk about first about human beings. Okay, how we protect ourselves. We human protect ourselves from enemies. What will we do? We use weapons, different weapons. Apart from our body parts, we use different weapons to protect ourselves from enemies. But animals cannot use these weapons. They have special features that help animals to protect themselves from enemies. And these special features are, first, running fast. Some animals have legs that help them to run fast from their enemies, and by running fast they protect themselves from their enemies. Okay, beta. Like deer, like ostrich, okay, and like snake, okay. And some animals are very big in size. Some animals are very big in size, like elephant and rhinoceros. Okay, they are too big, they are very big, so that no animals cannot attack these animals. Okay, some animals merge with the surroundings. Some animals have skin color that match up with the surrounding, and this help animals to hide themselves in the surrounding, like leaf insect, chameleon and polar bear. Okay, beta. And this type of surrounding, this type of merging is called camouflage. Okay. Now some animals like snail, tortoise, they have hard shell. Okay. They pull their body inside this hard shell to protect themselves from enemies. Some animals like snake, scorpio have poison, and by using their poison they defend themselves from enemies. Okay, beta. So these are the special features that help animals to protect themselves from their enemies. Yes, beta. Now we are going to read page number 78, adaptation for protection. Okay. Animal protects themselves from their enemy in different ways. Animal protect themselves from their enemies in different ways. They develop special features which help them to escape from their enemies. They are having special features which help them to escape from their enemies. For example, like stick insect. Stick insect look like a dry small twig. Twig means tahni. So stick insect look like a dry small twig, and when their enemy see a stick insect, they think that this is a twig. So as a result they are mistaken for a twig. Okay, beta. That is a stick insect. ये टहनी की तरह नजर आती है. This is look like a small twig. Now chameleon. Chameleon change their skin color to blend with their surrounding in order to escape from their enemies. Chameleon change their colors. They change their color according to the surroundings to protect themselves from their enemies, and this property is known as camouflage. When any animals merge themselves with the surrounding, that property is called camouflage. Okay. Now birds. Birds like ostrich, emu and snake run very fast. Some birds have legs that help them to run very fast to escape from their enemies. Okay, beta. Now animals like turtle, tortoise and snake. Turtle, tortoise and snails have hard shell that help tortoise, turtle and snails to protect themselves from their enemies. They hide their body in this shell to protect themselves from enemies. porcupines. Porcupines have spines. They have spines to protect themselves from enemies. This is the special feature of porcupines, that they have a spines. Some snake and scorpio have poisonous venom, ठीक है, to kill their enemies. So they protect themselves from their enemies by using their poison. Arctic foxes have brown coat in summer. Arctic foxes have brown coat in summers but grow white fur in winter. In winter they become white. They are having white fur, but in summer they have a brown coat. So their color merge with the surrounding and it becomes difficult to spot them. They merge with the surrounding like chameleon merge with the surrounding. Okay? In the similar way, Arctic foxes also merge with the surrounding, and their enemies, it become difficult for the enemies to spot them. Okay, beta. So these are the special features of animals. By this, they protect themselves from their enemies. Now we are going to do worksheet 3. Question number 1. Unscramble the words to reveal 3 terms related with the adaptation. Okay, these are the words, these are the terms that related with the adaptation. First is GAAMCFLEOU, that is camouflage. CAMOUFLAG, camouflage. Now second is EHLLS, that is shells. SHELLS. OEVNM, that is venom. VENOM, venom. Okay, beta. First is camouflage, second shells, third venom. Now fill in the blanks with suitable words given below. Dash foxes have dash coat in summer. So these are the options. With the help of these options, you have to fill in the blanks. Arctic foxes have brown coats. ARCTIC, Arctic foxes have brown coats in summer. They are having brown coat in summer but grow white fur in winter. White, WHIT, white fur in winter. But in winter, they grow white fur. This color match with the dash and it's become difficult to spot them. This color matches with the surroundings and it's become difficult to spot them. So first is Arctic, brown, white and surroundings. Then identify the following. Question number 3. There are some pictures. You have to identify the name of these animals. This is stick insect. STICK, stick insect. Okay, beta. This is Scorpio. SCORPIO, Scorpio. And this is porcupine. Porcupine have spines. Okay. This is question number 3. Stick insect, Scorpio and porcupine. Now question number 4. Match the following. Snake. Snake have scales. Snake have scales. With the help of scales, they can crawl. This is, what is this? Ostrich. Ostrich run fast. This is porcupines. Porcupine have spines. This is, what is this? Tortoise. Tortoise have hard shell. And this is chameleon, that is camouflage. So 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. Okay. Now take the correct option. Question number 5. The adapting feature in snail is due to its hard shell. Spine, hard shell, venom and fat layer, that is hard shell. Okay. Now I repeat this. First is camouflage, shell and venom. In second, Arctic, brown, white and surroundings. Third, stick insect, Scorpio, porcupine. 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. These are the numbering. And question number 5th answer is hard shell. So beta, you have to read page number 78. Adaptation for protection, and write and learn worksheet 3. Okay beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.